Hey guys, Dave with Tsunami Hydrographics here. Hey, today we're going to be dipping a couple, I think these are radio plates on this guy's car. Jim showed me this trick one time and it works really well. Inverting they're both going, I'm not even sure if they go up like that or like that, okay? But what you want to do is make sure that your carbon fiber is not going the same dimension. So one's going to go in this way and the other one's going to go in this way, okay? That will give you the look that you're after. So as long as they're both up in the air and you twist them this way and this way, you should be just fine. Okay, see what I'm after? Got one going from right to left, the other one left to right. That's what you want to do. Peace and dips, no problems.